good morning, guys. So, we're almost at the end of the month. It's crazy, and yeah. Anyways, high time frame trade, guys. High time frame analysis. We're tapping to the 4 hour break order block. I want to see rejection. I do want to go for lower, in my honest, humble opinion. Like I know the data is a little hard, but hopefully we could clutch up today, guys. That's what I'm looking for. Right now, as of yet, we are having SMTs with this high. So I really don't want to see it. I would rather trade NQ for the first time without having to think. I'm not gonna go crazy with the risk today, guys. But yeah, we're trading NQ now. I am expecting a reversal, so let's see what news does. I'm not gonna trade until then because we do have I think UOM. Is that what it's called? UOM? Yeah, UOM. So customer UOM. So sorry, revised UOM. Sorry, customer sentiment. So those are usually red for the news. So yeah, I might just expect a little bit choppiness. I kind of can see both of the marks today, but I'm still leaning preferably more bearish. Bearish to tag previous weekly low. That's my draw for the week for today. I'm not gonna go crazy today just because I do know it's Friday and you know from anything can happen. But as of probabilistically going, I don't really think we would go any crazy. You know, it was only one song, bruh. Midnight Drive Lofi, let's see. I don't like it too much. Alright. By the way, I did take a trade in the evening, so my bad. But yeah, I took a trade in the evening. I lost and then I won again. I'll explain my trading process like either after the stream or also or. I would want to see a change of state or something. My tummy's growling, guys. I don't want to see it get inversed. Preferably. Bruh. It's 19:25:86 chilling in your room. Let's see what's up to go. I don't like these are kind of scary, you know. I think the more I think about it. All right. So guys, we are currently having SMTs. Let's go. That's what I want to see. We are in a 4 hour order block. I want to see this get inverted to feel a little bit more confident, guys. All right. I'm not gonna go crazy today. I'm only looking for shorts. That's definitely for sure, without a doubt. So yeah, I got my coffee here, which is why I was late. I wasn't gonna stream today, but it was raining, and you know it's a vibe. So yeah, again, I'm not really looking for anything. I'm just trying to look for this inversion. And then obviously if I could look for something smaller, then I would probably play to trade it, and then TP1 and then London lows. Obviously that's what my draw look like. Let me take this off. It's actually bothering me. I know we're in a daily fair value gap. I actually want to see if we took London lows. I don't think I saw that. Yeah, we need to take it out for either or. Alright, good. Look at that midnight opening. That's crazy. Good morning, guys. You guys, I appreciate someone who two people who dropped a like yesterday. Very much appreciated. This is actually the first presented. I wouldn't mind getting below this if it finds support below it. So yeah, guys, today is Friday. We're not trying to crash out on Fridays. I really don't want to see that taken out, if I'm being 100% honest. So that way it could create some S&Ts to the downside. But yeah. I really want to see, I prefer to see the M5 get inversed to feel more confident shorting. I'm gonna wait to 10, by the way. Do we leave this entity intact? Yo, if you guys need help, like seeing this visually, let me know. Like, you know, I'm happy to show it out. Cause there's also like double training for my eyesight. So this right here is what I'm talking about, guys. All right, we're in a 4-hour POI. I do expect some rejection. So that is what I'm looking right now at. I think we're just a previous hour's high, no? Yeah, we did. So I definitely want to see it and start going to the downside sooner than later. Let me see something real quick. Hold up. Yeah, we didn't really have a gap. That's funny. I really don't want it. I want to see this hold. I would really want to get it below thingy, but let me start risking, like, I mean, managing my, expectating my risk, I guess. I'm selling Brody. Bro, what are you doing? Yeah, I'll probably just go with one. Today's Friday, guys. We don't crash out on Fridays. And then probably take one here. Oh shit, that shit pretty big, right? RR. I'll see what happens. It's a lot. It's just a huge stop loss. I'll see. Oh, that's one, right, bro. Nice. The 5 minute. I would want to get a 5 minute change of state, really. From here. Where's it represented for 9:30? Yeah, same thing. I don't know. I'm a little iffy right now because hopefully Newt pushes it down quickly and I'm willing to engage. Probably just one, dude. It's way too much of a risk, in my opinion. Because the thing is, we could really still respect this. Hopefully we just break a leg and then, you know. Again, guys, I am looking for shorts. I'm actually gonna 2 to 5. This is London low. London low. I'm gonna set up a thingy, and then I'm also gonna set up this one. We did tap into it here just now. This This is just too clean, dude. Like, you cannot tell me this is not clean enough for you guys. And Asian nose there, bro. So yeah, that's what I'm waiting for. For example, if we have a huge displacement, then I would probably play the. Yeah, I don't really need to change, but the only thing that would worry me would probably be this. Thank you. I would definitely be looking to sell one, guys. Definitely. If you don't show anything, I don't need a market structure shift. I just need to change state, which is here. I am looking to short this, guys. I am looking to short really soon. I'm gonna hide it for a little bit because basically it's the same thing. Oh shit, I just realized. We did take London thingy here. But we didn't here. Ugh, okay. I just saw this, guys. I just saw this. So I'm gonna be very picky right now then. We did take both them. Yeah, what am I tripping on? Hold up. Yeah, we did take both of them. Okay, so yeah, I'll be happy with London low for now. I still gotta wait for it to start showing me, indicating that it wants to start reversing on me. Still holding, guys, still holding. Short limit. I'll find out pretty quick if I'm wrong or not. Either ways. I'm only going with the one contract, like I said earlier. Yeah, I think it's worth it. Good morning, guys. Shout out to the 3 homies watching. If you guys have not dropped a like or subscribe, I would appreciate it if you guys could do that now. Thank you very much. Shout out to the people who did subscribe. We hit 51, so shout out to the homies. Alright, I'm looking for shorts, by the way. We're in a 4-hour POI. For those, I do trade ICT. Yes, I'm one of those. I'm looking for shorts. yeah, and that's really it. I'm looking for shorts. I'm not looking for anything else. What am I looking for? I'm not really looking for a whole reverse, if I'm being honest. Up to here, it's Friday. We gotta know what day of the week it is. We are just chopping around. I'm looking for these right here, these liquidity points right here. For the week, I am not. I think a quarter of a percent. I'm not sure. I took a trade yesterday in the evening, so I apologize. But if I see something, guys, I'm gonna take it. I'm no longer really like as afraid. Obviously, I still am afraid, but not in the sense like I'm scared to like know that it's not gonna work out. I always say this a lot of the times, like you know that fear in the beginning where it's more like you're scared because you know you're not gonna make it out. Or you're scared like you just want to hit that one what is it called, like withdraw from like the from the funded firms, and then that's it. For me, it's more like now like I'm just more like scared just in the trade not paying out, but not in the sense like oh like am I gonna make it? Like I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just guessing. Like that kind of went away. I mean, it's been 3 years, so that's kind of self-explainable. I really don't want to see that S&T. I want to see it hold, guys. I really do. This is the first percentage. That's what I'm saying. I kind of prefer to see it fail and at the same time have a change of state. And yeah, I mean, let me say 2 minutes, guys. Yeah, once the 5 minute gets inverted, I'll be more than happy enough to start looking for shorts. I did write down the right midnight, no? Oh my gosh, guys, I apologize. I forgot about the dogs. We in Mexico. Oh my god. Stupid dog, you made me look bad. Ooh, hold up, I'm closing the doors. It's kind of distracting. Bro, I need a song, bro. I need a song. Someone put me on. Ancient Greece, 432. Alright, 10's coming up, guys. Let's see what it does. Alright, that's a little bit more. Alright, guys, this is coming up. Can we wiki and go down? Yes, let's wiki. Click so far. Alright. Peace and tranquility. Oh my goodness. Shit. I mean, so far we're holding S&T, so. Sheesh. Oh, sheesh. Alright, guys. Again, we're holding S&T. I don't want to. I really want to see that. I really want to prefer to see an S&T, guys. Ugh, dude. So annoying. Alright. If we went to the side, I would really need a clean change of minute, 2 minute change of state, which would be here. I guess it's in a sense a little better for me because. Oh my gosh, that's scary. I can literally blow my account with that. I don't want to see. I really want to see that S&T hold, guys. I don't want to see it get respected. Because it just makes me more confident in long and short, you know. Oh, we might take out previous 4-hour high. I don't know. Previous H4 high. We might take it out and reverse. Who knows? What 4 hours? We already took it for AQ. We just did. Alright, so we. Oh shit. I would get a little greedy here and perhaps start shorting. Okay, so I don't want to see that because we already did take it here. Let's see a 30 seconds. How's the 30 second looking like? 30 second clean. Yeah. Alright, guys, I'm going in with 2. 30 second clean, guys. I'm waiting for a change of state. I'm going in, guys. I'm going in with 30 second. Looks too clean. I'll show you guys what I'm doing right now.
Order filled.
Let's go, boys. Alright, we're in this, baby. Alright, guys. I'm in the 30 second, by the way. I got in here. I'm looking to add if we could tap into this. It would also be the breaker that I'm thinking. Adding from. Oh, I got in here by accident. We do have a 5-minute change now. I kind of even want to take one off, dude. Where are we at right now? Yeah, I'm about to close this, guys, just because Fridays I don't like risking too much.
Order filled.
I close, guys. Only went 1. I should have gone with 2. Oh, fuck. I'm thinking about getting back in. Hold up. You know what? I'm going with 2 again. With the 1, sorry. Nice. Oh, fuck. It won't without me. This is what I'm trying to play out again, guys. If it allows me to add 1. Ah, fuck. It's fine. I'll have my stop loss like here. Yeah, that's what I wanted to see. I only added 1. Ugh, it is what it is. I did have a short stop loss. I forgot about that. Damn it. I only added 1, guys, by accident. I forgot it was in 30 seconds. So I thought it was saying, but this is the week. If it taps me into equilibrium, I'll take it. I'm fine. Because I still think we could go lower, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna set up a limit just in case. In case it does want to be nice and generous to me. Alright, guys. Oh, sheesh. I think this shit is dumping. Alright. It is what it is. And if this gets taken out, then I really don't want to be part of it right now. Like the first presented. I took a trade, guys, here. I literally took it here. But, fuck, I should... I did add it way... I was going to add here more. Another one. If it was going to tap into it and go low. But I think it's a breakaway again now. So this is where I got in, guys. Fuck, bro. If you did that, you would have gone... You would have been good up. It is what it is, though. What's today? You know what? I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna see what happens after that. If I see another displacement lower, then I'll get involved. Cool. So basically, what I'm saying, guys, right now is like the market could come up, right? Fuck, bro. You. Oh my gosh, it's fine. It's fine. It's coming up, and now I just want to see like whatever's coming up through here. I want to see an imbalance. All right, an imbalance get broken and then tapped, and then I would trust that high so I can have a better RR. I know Tyler took that. Tyler and Tanya. I'm still good. I'm still looking to get lower, guys. I'm still risking 100 and something. I would have been done by now. Did she not take that? She didn't. That's crazy. Okay, she didn't take that. Did Tyler take that? Tyler didn't take that either? Oh, he went long. That's interesting. Oh, man. What is it, guys? If we don't get tapped, it's fine. We are going to be leaving FEGs and 5 too, so that's why I'm really just waiting. Because now we did invert this. If we could create FEG in 5, I wonder what that would look like. Hold up. Short. Really here. And then low. Yeah, nah, it looks too weak right now. Yep, it's fine. Damn it. No! Shit. I think Thingy took a play. I don't know. Yeah, I think he played already. I'm good. Yeah. Oh, man. Bro, if I would have risked 100, bro, that would have been an easy $200 day. But fine, it's fine. Ugh. I'll show you guys my execution real quick. Show chart executions. Damn it, bro. I forgot we had a smaller tire top left thingy right here. I don't know why. I just found instant to look for change state. Right here, guys. We had SMTs, so I was looking for. I don't really trust inversions yet until I see the full closure of that gap, the flow candle that took it. So I just got in here. I got in here. Here, 4702. Yeah, they're way up here. It's fine. So yeah, that's why I took it. And then I wanted, because we already had SMTs from here, and then we already took out minor internal liquidity. So now we were going back to internal. So yeah, that's pretty much trade. I was fucked, dude. I would add another one, just one more. I got all the way up here. What is it? 24. So I got in here, right? Let's just match the risk. Got a link somewhere here. Stop loss was here. I got out. What is it? Here. 24,676. 24,676. 24,6. Oh, I got out pretty much here. Oh wow, I didn't even get it for 101. Oh shit. My bad. Bruh, I didn't even get a 101. Oh, my bad. I thought I did. It just I only had one contract, so I just wanted to get a one. Oh man, I miscalculated, I guess. Oh, bruh. So again, what I'm gonna do right now is just wait here and see what happens. Whether we want to come up here again and retap something, then I'll be waiting for that. But right now it's just a little iffy now because we're getting SMTs right here, and London, but London low still is intact. London low is definitely still my target. So I'm gonna just risk again a little, nothing crazy. But there's one, this is my jaw right here. This, all this, and I don't know, probably this, I don't know. Probably 1 standard deviation as well of Asian range or something. GG though. Wait, how much did I risk then? Oh, only received 2. Shit. That's whatever. Yeah, I think I'm done for the day, bro. Like this, I missed my opportunity to add it. I meant to add it. I wanted to risk 150, like around 150, 100 to 150, and I accidentally risked 50. I forgot we had a tight ass. I forgot this was a 30-second. That's why. If it was a 1 minute, it would have been up here. But I was just confident with what I was looking for. I mean, it played out, guys, right? GG. Yeah, I don't like this anymore. I'm just gonna back off now. It's Friday. This was just my only move right here. So let's go over so yesterday, guys. Why did I decide to take a trade yesterday? I was still bearish yesterday, as you guys know. This was just a move up, but at the time, we were trading into a 1 hour order block, which was Thursday right here. I'm gonna remove it real quick, right here. All right. Let's just go back to yesterday. This wasn't a 1 hour order block, a SIBI. All right. So during the evening, dude, I was just waiting for thing. So what did I wait for? I waited for this to get inverted on the M5. Then I had this. I think I took the MNQ. Yeah, MNQ. Right here. So when I saw the M5 starting to inverse, I saw this order block fold. I got a little early before that, to be honest. I think I got in. So once I saw this, oh yeah, sorry, it was a 3 minute. It was a 3 minute. So once I saw a 3 minute, once I saw this 3 minute fair value gap right here get inverted like this, I just decided to get involved, dude. And at the time, this was also a 5 minute order block now. So we had a change of state and divergence. So this was a really good thing for me. Obviously, I started a lot through chop and shit, but it was really annoying. Um, so I think my trade was like this, basically this, like that, and then this was my TP1, and then I let some runners a little bit lower like that, but nothing crazy. Um, yeah, so that's really it. That's all and I just decided to put my stop loss above that order block right here. N5 order blocks are probably, dude, N5 order blocks are really, really good in my opinion. So yeah, this was literally my trade right here. And the time we were still in the 1 hour SIB, remember that? We went back under it, so we were just tapping into it at 1. And yeah, that's really it. That was all my trade. This was annoying, obviously, but this was what happened today. Like, it just accumulated, took it off. Well, not really, but it was a clean trade. It was a clean trade. And then that's how I was able to get back my... Because I think I had lost in the morning, no? Or no, I broke even or something like that. Right here. Where was this? Where was I? Oh, here I think? Wait, no. Where is this? Where is it? Bruh. Yeah, somewhere here. No? Oh yeah, right here. You see? Let's go back here. Yeah, you see, guys? This shit was annoying. But yeah, I went with too short, and then I believe I took it off here. Yeah, you see? I took one off here, and then I took a little bit off, just let it run. So that's how I was able to make back my week, I guess. Damn, I'm really upset, dude, that just happened, but... it is what... Yeah, that was my week Friday. Ah, fuck. Dude, I could have... Bro, I thought we won the 1 minute. I dead ass forgot for some reason we were in the 30-second. Like, I knew, but I didn't know, if that makes sense. Oh, man, this could have been at least a 350 week, but it's cool. We are getting close to the thingy, to passing this challenge as well. So, hard work and dedication, baby. I was gonna risk regardless less. I was gonna risk only $100 because even if I lost, I would have been up $100 for the week. Like, I know, like, in the sense, like, yo, like, only $100, but think about it, bro. For someone who doesn't work, bro, $100 a week is still money. And remember, I'm not in the States, so, like, you know what I mean? Like, bro, the money hits harder over here. Oh man, that's funny. But yeah, it was this was a great start to the week, dude. This was a great start, but then I lost it, break even, and then I did trade the evening. I did not trade the evening session in so long, but I had breaking even, so I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna go for another trade. If I lose, then I lose, you know. And then today, obviously, I was supposed to risk a little bit more than not, but it is what it is, you know. Yeah, like I did say, guys, I did want to see the S&P hold. So that's why I was really bullish, guys. And I was just looking for a 30-second change of state, which is right here. It was gorgeous. Boom, boom. Look at that. Boom, boom. So yeah, we had SMTs. We're in a 4-hour order block. You could really want to be precise a little bit more. It's right here, but you know. But yeah, I'm excited, guys. I'm excited for the future. I know this would be my really easy, well, overall next time sell side. Right here. This will be my job for the next week or so. And then obviously previous week low. I have an NQ already, I believe. No, yeah. Previous week low would be my job for the week. So yeah, that was my only trade for the day, guys. We had SMT. I'll explain the trade one more time if you guys want me to. Drop a like if you haven't, please. Okay. So first off, before we see the 4-hour, we already had to see in the 15-minute. We had SMT, guys. First off, we were on a 4-hour POI. All right. I did say that we wanted we want to reject, and we wanted to reject NQ a little bit more because it looked more cleaner in a sense. And at the time, you see how we in the 4-hour we took the 4-hour high here, right there. You see, whoop, right here we didn't. Whoop. What does that make it in the lower time frame, guys? An SMT. But before that, my eyes were already drawing to this, guys. Look at these clean lows, guys. This should be what's it called? A magnet to your eyes, guys. This is gonna take time to train, but these are equal lows, guys. All this. Oh, we did. Yeah, this was the SMT. But whatever, it's fine. If you go to the one way, it's just gonna look so beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look how clean this equal lows are. So that was already my magnet. Now the reason I needed to get it was like, how are we gonna get there? If you guys go back, I said I need an SMT during this 4 hour order block, and I need a strong rejection. And what did I say, guys? I said I want to wait till after news, after news, after news, after news, after news. 10 a.m. news came up here. Boom. All right. And then we see boom. So this was already indication I want to go lower. I wanted to see low key wanted to trade before this under this, but we got a little higher, so this could have been a partial here. And then obviously we could either move break to move move to break even. Oh shit. Move to break even or whatever, take another partial, it's up to you. But I would really just want to see this hold now. This invert the first presented fair value after 9:30. But yeah. I was looking for longs, guys. I was still looking for continuations if we hadn't taken this out, because we have an SMT now. It just makes it a little harder, you know. So I want to see if we trace back up to not here. I don't know. I would just wait, really, because we could go way higher than this. Like sometimes I do this on the 5 minute and just taps and then continues to go higher, and I'm scared shitless, and then it goes down. So would I rather have waited for the internal structure to start going up, and then on the 1 minute or so start looking for a thing. Yeah, London low taken, guys. I'm done for the day. Boom, boom. London low was taken. So I would look for like an inversion on M1, and then I would trust this on my stop. So my stop loss wouldn't have to be all the way up here anymore. So I would risk a little less, I guess, in a sense. And then obviously have my stop loss here instead of all the way up here, and then boom. You know, with better RR versus if I have a ticket here. Wherever midpoint of this range is, I don't know, to here, you know. So yeah, that's it, guys. I'm done for the day. Boom, easy targets. Get in, get out. It's Friday. Go enjoy your freaking Friday, dude. This week was, dude, we could end it with a banger. Oh, whatever. What do we have next week? Yeah. We gotta be very careful next week. We do have NFP, I believe. Yeah, NFP. So guess what, baby? We're looking for trading on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And then Thursday, no trading, and Friday, I'll see. But yeah, we gotta look at the higher time frames. It looks like we are beginning to invert now. So this will be my draw. Go on the weekly. We do have a fair value gap right there. So we might be looking next week to trade into that, you know, before going higher. So we might do this, or we just wake it, come into the order block, and then go higher. You know, so it could be either or. I'll be looking for either or situations. But until then, we just look at the daily, and the daily is still somewhat. That's why I was a little nervous, because it was still somewhat bullish because of this candle. We rejected the wall. I think on ES on the daily we did reject the first quadrant to the tick, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Bro, why is it so slow? No way, dude, for real. Whatever. Fuck you too, then, trade view. I'm gonna take this off. It's annoying me. How do you save at default? Oh, 1/4, 5th, yeah. So yeah, we did come down to the lower quadrant of it. You see that? Tap. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Boom. Gorgeous. So that's why I was really just a little nervous trying to nod. But we might tap into it now. Like, you know, it's just better than a rebound to go back down. Anyways, guys, thank you so much. If you guys did drop a like, I would appreciate it. If not, then I guess it's cool too. Shout out to everybody who came through. Say hi, you know, stop being shy. Or you're probably one of my friends that doesn't want to see me watching me, but yeah. Anyways, oh my gosh, bro, this could have been a fucking crazy trade. I'm gonna crash out, guys. Nah, whatever. Let's put some music. Let's put some peso pluma reverb. Oh man, I can't believe we just did. We sold the bag out. We fumbled the bag. We fumbled the bag. We fumbled the bag. You know what I realized this week, guys? And it's pretty fucking crazy. Like, I got this, bro. I got this shit. I really do. I gotta fix the... Guys, how do I, Guys, how can I show my... How can I show my indicator titles again? I remove my indicator titles again. Guys, how do I show my indicator titles? Does anybody know? Help me out, please. My indicator titles, guys. How do I show that out? I kind of accidentally hit it for this. Está preparado. This week was tough, bro. It was tough. I had a lot of break evens. Monday was an amazing trade. And then I lost it the next day. There was a break even. And then I had to get back in, guys. Because I was basically break even. And then today I kind of slipped it. But it's fine. You know. Last week was amazing. I only took, I think, 2 trades. What does the chart look like? Bien los planes. Yeah, nice smooth curve. When was it the 2000 goal, guys? I don't like risking crazy amount, guys, on Tuesdays for sure. For sure. Sorry, on Mondays. Ugh. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. What are you guys waiting for? I don't gotta tell you guys this. Dude, how do I... What part of Mexico, gang? Hey. Nah, I'm just kidding. Puebla, dude. Puebla, my boy. The Big P. Dude, how do you... How do I... Oh, shit, I got it. Oh, fuck, bro. I hadn't found... Oh, I found it. Bro, I was taking mad long trying to look at this eyes, bro. But yeah, Puebla, though. Alright, now I got this. There you go. Alright. But yeah, Puebla, my boy. Shout out to you, XX Kulumi. What anime is that? Hold up. What anime is that? Oh man, that's funny. Oh, bro, this could have been such a good bro. Even if I would have risked just 100, which was really what my risk was for today, dude. I don't ever risk a lot on Friday or Mondays. I always usually go for 150, and then throughout, like, especially like Thursday, Friday. Like usually Wednesday and Thursdays are like the best days for expansion. If you guys really take a look at your charts, Wednesdays and Fridays, Wednesday and Thursdays is just continuation. So all you gotta look for is just minors buy side before going lower. Dude, this could have been such an amazing chart, dog. I feel like it's just gonna hurt me the more I look at it. I really got it at the top. I got it in here. My stop loss is here. Bro, that's crazy. Bro, I could have made 300 with just a simple little trade. Whatever. Whatever. We're not gonna be perfect. Just don't fuck up that bad. You should be fine. Oh my god. I would have looked for retracement back high, guys. Here. But usually I don't trust myself with the 5 minutes much because then I know it's gonna be a long ass trade. But we were tapped into the goal, to the easy goal. This was the easy goal. What I would have done is waited for a tap into whatever. Maybe even, honestly, I realized with the M5s, guys, we usually have a crazy retracement, like OTE levels type of retracements, right? So I would wait until they had this came probably, and then just look for the market to go up, and then look for a lower, and then boom. So then my stop loss would be really here, like around here. But yeah, fun problem, my guy. What about you, bro? Whoa, I don't know. You don't want to tell me? I mean, nah, you kind of gotta tell me now, cause I told you. Oh man. Yeah, this was my easy draw, guys. So I'm definitely. If it was Thursday, I would have probably looked to get involved. But it's Friday, and then, sheesh, bro, look at this, dude. Look at this. Looking for shorts only, waiting for news. So yeah, bro, it could have been a nice trade. Could have been a nice trade. Yeah. Looking as of yet, nothing. I mean, I was already waiting for news, so looking for shorts only, waiting for news. Alright, let me just write this down so I know my trade did play out. La vida que me estoy dando. Poco se van presentando. Let me take a screenshot of this. Boom. Where was the Notion? De mi compita ruda. I didn't even write it down because I didn't have time. It was like 30 seconds. It's much quicker than that, so I couldn't really. Bro, what's the trade section? Oh, what time is it? 10:35. Boom. London low smashed. Bro, I was willing to get in here too, but they also beat me to it right here. This would have been the breaker. Where's the M1 minus breaker? Hold up. M minus. Bro, I don't have M1 breaker. I do. You see? That could have been your entry too. If you were really conservative, trying to wait for the reversal, then you could have waited that, because this would have been the breaker change structure, and obviously you could have had a good RR, but it just didn't give me time, guys. It didn't give me time. I was looking for the 30 second. Again, here, gave it to you here. But I was willing to add here. I said it in the early in the stream. I was in 30 second. I was like, if it comes back here, I'm willing to add here. It's half still stop loss, because I knew I had 1 micro. Bro, 1 mini. Sorry, no micro. I got it from the 30 second though, so I gotta put this in real quick. That's crazy. I really top ticked this, but the one time I top tick it, right, I'd risked way less. That's funny. I could have passed the challenge by then, but no. It wants to be a little POS. Oh shit! Hold on. Nah, I know what I'm. It's funny, guys, because I don't really need a journal, because I'm really just looking for the same things over and over. Looking for London high, London lows, equal highs, equal lows, previous day high, previous day lows, previous weekly high, previous weekly lows. That's what I'm saying. This is my draw for the next week if we don't take it into this fair value gap. So I'm still bearish until we hit this. Wait, what the fuck is this? What's this? 4 hour? Oh, it's a daily. Yeah, I would have taken pressure here because ICT said we could revisit these homes as many times as we would like. I'm not doing that though, no offense. Maybe when I'm like 7 years in, but the goal right now is just to be profitable. And then it's slowly and surely just, develop your skill set. Hey, you never responded, my guy. Yeah, it's a little confusing, but I would anticipate this getting tapped at least into. Wait, that means we did take previous daily high. Oh no, we didn't. Huh. Alright, I'm gonna stream you guys. I wasn't gonna stream either way today, to be honest. I was just looking for a quick short today into the thing. But if I wasn't up for the week, I probably would have. I'm like 90% sure I would have waited for this and then stop loss here. Just for more confirmation. But it's fine. Rodeado de lujos y no materiales. Siempre buena vida me dieron mis padres. El cielo para guiarme. Salve la vida, salgan bien los planes. I'm curious why Tanya didn't take the trade. I really am curious. She's looking for a reversal now. Well, I'm assuming it took a little release of the leg, but I'm not looking for that. I said my boss wasn't gonna be sure for the day. I really don't know why she didn't take it. Or Tyler. Tyler didn't take it either.
So like you feel like you guys know when you're trading, like you get into like a flow state almost. And
Today.
so I don't know, like the technical difficulties this morning with the Ninja Trader stuff. I just felt like I got a little bit, you know what I mean, like off my spot a little bit, like a little bit. Less than $500.
I don't know why you didn't take it.
Yes. You definitely had to practice patience